Alright, picture this. You think your WhatsApp chats are totally private, right? Well, not exactly. Ethical hackers, yes, the good guys, have some mind-blowing ways to read your messages without even touching your phone or installing any dodgy apps. Sounds wild? Stick with me because I'm about to break down how it's possible and, more importantly, how to protect yourself. First up, let's talk about WhatsApp Web. You know that handy feature that lets you use WhatsApp on your computer? Here's the thing. If someone gets access to your unlocked phone, even for a few seconds, they can scan the WhatsApp Web QR code on their computer. Boom! Your entire chat history shows up on their screen, syncing in real time. They don't need to install anything, and you probably won't even notice unless you check your active sessions. Next trick in an ethical hacker's toolkit: social engineering. This isn't about hacking code, but hacking people. Imagine someone calls, pretending to be WhatsApp support. They convince you to share the 6-digit code that just arrived on your phone. Once they have that, they can log into your WhatsApp from anywhere. No apps, no downloads, just clever manipulation. Scary, right? But there's another method, and it's all about backups. If your WhatsApp backs up to Google Drive or iCloud and someone has access to your cloud account, they can restore your entire chat history on another device. No need for any special hacking tools or software, just login details. Now, before you start panicking, here's how you can keep your chats safe. 1. Always log out of WhatsApp web sessions you don't recognize. Open WhatsApp, tap the 3 dots, go to linked devices, and boot off anything that looks suspicious. 2. Never, seriously never, share your verification code with anyone, not even if they claim to be support. And 3. Enable 2-step verification. This adds an extra layer of security, so even if someone gets your code, they're stuck. Remember, ethical hackers use these skills to protect, not to pry. But there are plenty of bad actors out there, so stay sharp. If you need more help or want to learn about professional solutions for your own security, check out the pinned comment and the video description below. There are legit experts who can guide you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and support. Got questions or want a deep dive into another topic? Drop a comment. Stay tuned, because in the next video, I'll be unpacking how your deleted WhatsApp messages can come back to haunt you. You don't want to miss that. See you in the next one.